drinking, tiny joint rolling, COVID avoiding, Dave, Rocky Nebor. Are you ready to fight Rocky? That sounds good. I like your chances. If you can beat him tonight, if you're more energetic, if you're more louder, we will leave that title championship here in Warsaw and you can hang it on the bar over Progressia tonight. But you gotta prove that you can knock Rocky out. Ready? Hey, Rocky! You're in trouble, champ. You're in trouble. They're a contender.
Just like the kid next door, built to your name ashore.